Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So today I want to talk about something that many people are worried about. That is, can AI replace DevOps engineer role? So everywhere we hear that AI isn't, are automating jobs, writing code, managing system. So it's natural to ask, is DevOps also at risk? So in this video, I'm going to give a theoretical answer. That is, I'll explain this from real industry experience, real production issues, and real DevOps responsibility. I'll show why companies may use AI to assist DevOps engineer but cannot fully replace them. So, if you are a student, a beginner, or already working in DevOps, this video will give you a clarity instead of fear. So, let's start with the reality. So, the first reason why AI can't replace DevOps engineer. So, the answer is because production problem are never clean. It means in real life things does not break nicely. One alert come for CPU, for example, one another for memory. Users complain the app is slow, but dashboard look normal. So at that moment you don't need an AI, you need a human who can correct the dots. Second, AI will say CPU is fine, or DevOps engineer will say something feels wrong, let me dig deeper. So in this way you can't say that AI will replace the job. Second thing, like every companies work differently. Okay. Second thing come in our mind. So if every company is working differently, so what work in one company can break another. So some companies care more about cost, even care more about zero downtime. So AI does not understand business pressure. Human can understand. So a DevOps engineer know when to say let's save cost here or no, this needs high availability. So that judgment comes from experience, not data alone. So in this way also, next thing is people say that DevOps is a people job, not just a tool job. So half of DevOps is talking to developers, taking to QA, talking to security, talking to managers. So when someone goes wrong, people don't ask AI. They ask who is handling this. DevOps engineer handle stress, communication, and responsibilities. AI can't. Next, security is not black and white. So AI can say this vulnerability exists, okay, but it cannot decide should we stop the release, should we take the risk for now, or will this break production? Only human can balance this risk, okay. And another thing, incident need creativity. Most incident don't allow a script, okay. Sometimes logs are clean, metrics looks fine, but users are still complaining. Then you will realize it's a DNS issue, or a third party API problem, or a network routing issue. So this kind of thinking comes from experience and intuition, not automation, okay. Next is designing system is not copy paste. So AI can suggest architecture diagram, but choosing ECS or EKS, who will decide? Our human can only. Single reason or multi reason, managed DB or self hosted DB. So it will depend on team skills, budget, future plans. So a DevOps engineer designs system thinking, will this still work after 1 year? AI does not, you know, think long term like that. Seven reason is when audit happen, AI can't answer. Like auditors will ask who approved this? Why was this given? Who tested disaster recovery? No one. Or AI did it. Is not a acceptable answer. Companies needs human who take ownership. Next, DevOps keeps improving things. AI just follow instructions. So DevOps engineer look at the system and say, this pipeline is slow. Alerts are too noisy. We can simplify this. But AI waits to be told what to do. DevOps engineer proactively improve the system. And AI itself runs on DevOps. So this is the biggest irony, okay? So cloud infrastructure, CI/CD, Kubernetes, monitoring system, all maintained by DevOps engineer. So who can replace them? Whom? And at 2 a.m., AI does not take responsibility. When production is down at night, customers are angry, revenue is impacted, management is calling. AI won't join the call. AI won't explain the issue. AI won't take the blame. Our DevOps engineer will do. So AI can help DevOps engineer work faster, but it can never replace human judgment, responsibility, and experience. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great